Let's now spend a few minutes going over the exterior appearance of the Mitsubishi Electric MELSERVO J4 servo amplifier. As you can see, the front of the servo amplifier includes the display screen, USB communication connector, encoder connector, and power supply connector. Servo amplifiers will have other connectors depending on the type of servo amplifier. There are 3 types of servo amplifiers, including Type A, Type B, and Type GF. I will now go over some of these different models in more detail. Type A models support generic interfaces. This is the model we used in this training. This type supports analog and pulse train and many other types of interfaces. It provides position, speed, and torque control. Type B models support dedicated servo networks and the SSCNET IL servo system control network. While the MR-J4B servo amplifier can drive only one motor, other models are available to drive multiple motors, including the MR-J4W2B 2-axis servo amplifier capable of driving 2 motors, and the MR-J4W3B 3-axis servo amplifier capable of driving 3 motors. GF-type models support the CC-Link IE field network. When combined with a simple motion module, this type can provide positioning and synchronous control of multiple axes. As each model comes with distinct features, make proper selections depending on your specific environment and equipment.